Hey, I'm Chris Marshall, President and CEO of Junior Achievement of Sacramento, and we are here at the Golden One Center for Idea to Income, a Be Entrepreneurial Startup Lab, for a 2-day workshop to give these kids everything they need to start their own business.
I think it's great that we're having these discussions in high school to teach critical thinking and reflection and imagination, and they're so creative, and I'm just so glad that we got to spend time together to unleash those different ideas.
Sometimes you just learn in a classroom and it's just like random slides, but here I was actually able to talk to real business owners, people that started their own thing. Their stories were inspiring. This kind of told me no matter where you start, we all start from the bottom, but you can make it up.
Their ideas were very intelligent and they were very structured. So each table and each breakout group really understood the process, and that's great JA programming and kind of going through, hey, step by step, how do you get to be successful? Within that framework, I think they really excelled because they had that structure there.
My favorite part was definitely listening to all of the amazing speakers, since each of them had a lot of inspiring life stories and lessons that we could learn and then take that into account as we're all building and formulating our own ideas.
So this event has been really meaningful for me, and it was really fun meeting a lot of people similar to my age that are also really interested in entrepreneurship as well.
What impressed me the most is they had really complex business plans that you could tell they put a lot of thought into, and it's some businesses that I actually want to see in our world because it's things that I would actually put a little bit of money into myself.
My favorite part was probably this keynote speaker today. It was very inspiring, and it showed that there's not one path to success.
I'm just happy, stunned that they're spending a part of their summer break for 2 days coming down and listening to the curriculum within Junior Achievement, talking and listening to business owners. These kids are obviously have a different level of ambition. They have an interest in spending a summer day trying to learn about business and entrepreneurship. I'm happy to give my time because they're willing to give their time.